Alright, in this video I want to talk about some upward rakes with both my thumb and my index finger. I got both of these from Cooder, and you'll see Blake Mills use the second technique. I'll talk about that one. But the first one is I don't always use it when I'm actually sliding, but I incorporate it quite a bit when I'm using like an open tuning, slide guitar sound. So it's just an upward rake with your thumb. It's real simple. I get a little bit of the nail and try to get some of the flesh in there too. It gives it a warmer tone. So it might be like. So you might end a phrase with it, or if you're. That kind of a thing. And then the other one, which I hear Blake Mills use quite a bit, or see him too in videos, is just an upward stroke with your first finger. So like. You can do it gentle like that if you're strumming a chord, or if you want to make it a little bit more aggressive. Kind of just whatever you're going for, and you can kind of mix and match them. I use the finger more probably on the gentler ones, and then the thumb more on the aggressive ones. Mix and match the taste and see what